Hey, it's Dawnnie from TADA Acting Studio. I'm just popping in really quickly in my leisurely look to say we're now on SKOOL, SKOOL, but I'm not trying to sell you anything. It's completely free in there. I will have an upgrade much later. I don't have time to do that. If you're studying with me directly on Zoom, you know that I've been posting a lot of classes and links and scripts and lesson plans. If you're a teacher or a mom and you just want to get the lesson plans, head on into the SKOOL. You're welcome there too. And each video has the actual lesson plan that goes with that video linked to it. It was just getting too crazy to try and figure out how to give you those lesson plans here on YouTube, but I want to give them to you. I want to gift them to you. I have an MFA in acting from NYU. I'm a professional actor, but I'm also a mom, a YouTuber. I have many animals, all the things. So this was just something that I stumbled upon because I'm in a couple of school groups as a student myself for various things. You know, YouTube is one of them. And I realized how organized it is. So that's why I'm in there, okay? The link is down below. It's free to join. Just get in there. The lessons, for example, the difference between watching Mastering the Basics of Acting here on YouTube and doing it there in SKOOL is when you watch one, you can check the little done mark. That makes me feel good when I check the little done mark. I don't know about you. And then you can download the actual lesson plan that goes with it. And there are some scripts in there, okay? So go on in. If you are under 18, ask your mom or dad first, and you can write to me privately in the chat there. I don't think I have the chat enabled for members to speak to one another, and that's okay. I like it that way. I like it safer that way. So you can comment on the posts, the threads that I've made. Go on in and I'll see you in SKOOL, okay? And I have a thread where you can request specific lessons. I'm taking a tiny little break from posting weekly from Mastering the Basics of Acting only because I had a student who bought a couple of lessons on private coaching on Voiceover, and we did some really fun stuff the last 2 weeks. You know, I've been in SAG-AFTRA since before it was merged. It was just SAG. And I lived in Kansas City, Missouri for 7 years, and there weren't any SAG-AFTRA jobs. So what did I do? I was booking Voiceover that time. And I found firsthand that all the things I teach you in Mastering the Basics of Acting are applicable to Voiceover. It's just that you're not being seen. And then there are some other great tips and tools and courses and books I've picked up along the way. So if you have an interest in that, book a private coaching with me or enroll to study with me on Zoom. If you're a Heartland student, you can find me listed as Dawnnie Mercado, TADA Acting Studio. I'm starting a group class Wednesdays, every Wednesday, and that'll be there for you to sign up on Heartland, and that will begin in September. But I am available for private coaching, but just make sure that you write to me on SKOOL in a private message first to make sure my availability, because I just told you all the things I'm doing. I also have a day job. All right, I'll see you soon. It's Dawnnie Mercado. Watch the videos that pop up next. In case you just want to watch Mastering the Basics of Acting here on YouTube, I'll link the playlist. All right, but I hope to see you in the SKOOL, SKOOL. The link is in the description. Bye for now.